Alright guys, Phil here from Dixon Motorsports. We have our F81. This is going to be our cold start and POV drive video. Work for the exhaust just like it should from the factory. Radio, navigation, reverse camera, and PDC. Let's go for that drive. BMW ever did one. This would be our third one that we've done. We've done 2 manuals, and this is our first DCT. Let me tell you, I am a fan of the DCT over the manual. The speed, the quickness of the shifting, and the overall driving experience, I think personally is way more exciting than a manual trans. But each their own. Everyone has their favorite flavored ice cream, so some people might not agree with me. Regardless, our car has speed cloth interior. It's got 62,000 miles on it. We went through the car completely. We did Valvetronic motor, Valvetronic shaft. They're prone for failure. We just wanted to make sure everything was done correctly, and the next owner won't have any drivability or reliability issues. We went through the suspension, made sure everything is aligned good. We had a noisy wheel bearing, so we put a new wheel bearing on it. We refinished all 4 wheels, put all 4 brand new Michelin Pilot Sports on it. The brakes are new. This car is set up and it's going to be perfect for the next owner. Now, when the body shop did his work to the car, we actually had them go through and repaint the entire car, so that way everything looked perfect. Like I said, it's our third car we've done for the F81, so he knew exactly what to do and what not to do. I'll get some photos up of the actual work that he did, and you can see how we graphed everything into the vehicle. We even did the stiffening and the brackets down in the lower corners of the car, both in front of the wheel wells on the left and right side. Now, given this is our third BMW F81 that we've done, we've also done a few B58s, a couple autos, and then an actual 6-speed manual. They're fun and all, but they do not have the pep and pickup like a S55 car. I mean, how can you go wrong with the sound? Whew. Does it sound good or what? So the rear seats, we actually came up with this great bar that comes right in and out. And there's little levers here that open and they click up because they're magnetic. And they lock the rear seats. So you could just simply push them down and fold them down. Very simple. This bar, you just hit it up and it comes right out. And then you got your full rear seats that fold down, so you got your whole trunk space still.